Howdy and welcome to PaleRider's WoodShed, and today I just got a package in the mail from one of the viewers, also one of the gamers that I played with on the co-op days, KingRat. He sent me a bunch of tools. I'm going to unbox it and show you what he sent me. Alright, first looks like some kind of a stringer reel. This is pretty cool. It looks pretty old. I think he said that all these were his father's or his grandfather's or both. This is pretty cool. I've never seen one of these. Pretty sure it's for laying string, maybe for fence building or a number of other applications. An old ice pick. Cool. Whoa. A bunch of stuff here. Carpet knife. Cool, I used to have one something like this a long time ago. Wow. An old set of pliers. That is really cool. I'm gonna have to check up on that. I can't see real good in here, but they're hard handles. Pair of old wire cutters. A lot of this stuff I'm going to be using every day. I've got a pair of wire cutters, but they're more modern looking and with the rubber handles and stuff. I like these older ones a lot better. This is really cool. Another pair of pliers. This one's pretty cool. It's got hook handles. Those must be old, man. I've never seen any like this with the handles like that. I gotta look into that and find out exactly what they're used for. I know these types of pliers are called linesman pliers. We used to use these. Actually, I used to use ones something like this to tie steel for pools. We used to tie the rebar for the frame for the pools. And yeah, we used to use these to cut the wire that tied the steel, and you can use them to pull the wire too. Yeah, I noticed this too. He just popped them and stuck the tools in the pockets. Good idea. Yep, see more of them. Another little awl. Pretty much matches this ice pick. Wow, I'm not even sure what this is. It's a marking gauge. Oh, cool. It's an actual marking gauge. I don't know if you've seen my video of making the marking gauge out of wood. That's pretty much what this is. I'm pretty sure. Let me get it towards the camera. Get it in focus. Get it in focus. Let me pull back a little bit. But you use it to... It's got a measurements on the top here, and you set it to your measurement, and you lock it in place with this, and then you run it across the wood and mark it. That is really, really cool. It's a double marking gauge. It's got one on this side too. Oh, that is so cool. It says Stanley on it, I think. Yep. It says Stanley on it. I hate these cameras. Let's see if I touch it right there if it'll get in focus. There it goes. Look at that. I don't know what year this is. I'm going to have to look this up. This is really, really cool. Thank you very much, KingRat. I will be using that a lot. That's cool. So you can mark two different measurements. Set a measurement on one side, set a measurement on the other side, and you can make your mark this way, and then make your mark this way, maybe for making mortises or something. Oh, it'd be this way. That's really cool. Old screwdriver. Good pair of needle nose. That seems to match the set of pliers that I got down here. Ah. A hook screwdriver for getting into tight spaces and turning screws. Cool. Wooden handle. It looks pretty old. Another pair of old wire cutters, a little bigger than the other ones. I'm not sure what these are. They look like they might be coasters. Veterans of Foreign Wars, home of the free because of the brave. That's really cool. It looks like coasters, and they're in original packaging. 8 of them. That's really cool. I would say that I really need some coasters, but these are not going to be used as coasters. I'm going to find something cool to do with these. Make something and put these in it. Whoa, damn. Damn. This is an old butcher knife. Big old carving knife. It looks handmade. Look at the divots in the blade. Looks like it was hand forged. Dang. Pretty freaking sharp too. Damn, that is really freaking nice, man. That is so cool. That's nice. Another wooden handled screwdriver. This one looks a lot newer or in better condition. That's pretty cool. I like these wooden handle screwdrivers. It looks like an old round file. There we go. Wooden handle. That's really cool. I like that too. That will be used. Definitely be used. Oh, you know what? I just bought a cheapy version of this. So this is used to get angles. You find the angle, then you turn the screw, and it locks it in place so that you can now take it back to your piece of wood and lay it on there and get the correct angle, or to your miter saw or your table saw and set it up. Well, actually, you'd have to bring it all the way out like that, and then get your angle, tighten it, and then you can put this butt up against your blade, you know, and adjust your blade to the right angle. So that's really cool. I will be using this instead of the cheapy one that I just bought. This is an old Stanley, and it's a much better one. Oh wow, this is cool. I'm not sure how old this is, but this is one of my most used tools that I already have. But anyway, this is also Stanley, and the one that I have has a set angle here. It just has a 90-degree here and on the 45 here. But this one, you can set an angle and then tighten it down here and put it on a piece of wood and get different angles. I will be using this one a lot. Dog hates that sound. Oh, yes. I have a cheap set of chisels. The biggest one I have is 1 inch. This one looks slightly bigger than 1 inch, and I've been wanting a bigger chisel. I'm not sure what size this is. Let me look on here. 1.5 inches, exactly. That's really cool. I really needed this. All I need to do is clean up the edge on there, and I'll definitely be using that. I can't see what the brand is right now. You know what? I did not have my reading glasses on. I had my regular glasses on, and you know you're getting a little bit loose in the head when you can mistake your regular glasses for reading glasses. But it says Stanley. But yeah, that is definitely something that I'm going to be using. Wooden handle. It looks pretty old. Oh, hey. This is a measuring stick. Oh, wow. That is freaking cool. The way it opens up like that. This is really old. I have seen these when I was a kid. I don't think I've seen one like this since I was a kid, though. When I was a kid, measuring tapes were not that big of a deal, but this is what people used. I've seen bigger ones than this, but I've never seen one quite this small. It is 24 inches. Each section is 6 inches. That's pretty cool. That's, speaking of measuring tapes, here's an old measuring tape. 16 foot. This is a pretty old one. It's got a metal case. Most measuring tapes nowadays have plastic cases. HK Porter. I'm gonna have to look that up. Ah, another measuring gauge. This has a caliper in it. You can see the caliper slides in and out of the inside of that track. This is 6 inches and this is 6 inches. You've got a 12-inch ruler. You fold it up and you can use that caliper right there. That's really cool. And that's unique, and that it looks really old too. They look like they might be a set. Ha. Plumb bob. That's for keeping things plumb, straight up and down. When it stops moving, you know you got it straight up and down. Or you can put it over a pregnant woman to see if they're having a boy or a girl. By the way, KingRat is in his 70s now, and if this was his father's or his grandfather's, you'd think that these things might be, 100 years old or even more. I'm pretty sure he said it was his grandfather's. He sent a card. It's not my birthday, but thank you very much. Early birthday present for next year. Huh? Hi Ken, finally got the stuff boxed up. Treat it like a birthday gift since these cards appear to be all I have. Have fun going through them, Jim. Hope your special day comes with plenty of smiles. That's cool. Thank you very much. Here's a good look at everything from left to right. All right. So I definitely appreciate everything that you gave me here. This is really great, and I'm going to get so much good use out of all this. Thank you so much. And if anybody else out there has any old tools they'd like to donate to a good cause and a good home, please let me know and we can arrange something. This has been really cool, a little bit different than usual, so I hope you liked it. If you did, hit a like, share, and subscribe with your friends. If you'd like to support my channel, you can donate using PayPal or Patreon. The links are in the description below. And I hope to see you next time. Have a good one, guys. Adios!